This instrument is a photocalorimeter, which is microprocessor based. It has 8 filters. There is one printer output automatic and one on-off switch is there. When you switch it on, its microprocessor calorimeter is there. It will software version, it will automatically calibrate. We have another model comes with the mobile output, can be there with the Bluetooth. First of all, we go with the percentage concentration, enter this, insert blank. This one is a blank sample test tube calibrated. I am using on any one of the filters. Say I use it on 540 filter. What is the reading? I can check. Now it is setting 0%, 100%. Now I can just change it and insert the sample. It says I just put the sample and enter it, and 370 is the reading. You can store this reading also. Volume stored at reading. You can make corrections also. You can make a printout also, escape for the next reading. It keeps on storing the readings. It comes with 8 filter. Please visit a website abron01 www.abronexports.com or abron01. Write us an email abron01@gmail.com. Very easy microprocessor based calorimeter. Thank you very much.